Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominic. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. In today's video, we're gonna create a smoking eyeshadow. Okay, so most of you are always requesting, although even though you don't comment in the comment section, call me. Oh please, I want face Dominic. I want to have say smoking eyeshadow. I'm always saying it in people's channel. I would only love you to do it. Fine. I'm doing it now. Fine, I'm doing it now. Okay, so stay tuned and comment in the comment section. Okay, you know I love you so much. Okay, so just subscribe. Okay, let's dive into the video. You know the first thing you're gonna do? First, you're gonna prime your face. Okay, so I'm gonna use this as it called Usha concealer palette. I'm using this lighter shade, so bright, like white. Okay, it's a concealer, but I also use that as my eyeshadow base. Okay, so it's really white, and I don't have any white skin that I'm making using this kind of white concealer. So I'm just gonna type it on my lid like this, just a little, okay, because a little goes a long way in this concealer. Just typing it on my lid like that. Okay, so I'm still gonna do the same to the other eye. Okay, see the reason why you need to prime your face. Okay, so that this line, this white, as in this demarcation you're seeing over there, will fade up. Okay, so just a bit, press it in like that. Like this. You need to make sure that the concealer you are applying is tacky enough to accept something else in, so that you can just suck it in instead of breaking. So you need to type it a bit for applying something else on it. Okay, so a fluffy brush like this to just type it, a dry brush to just type it more, to just type the excess product on it out, and this will also help it to blend very well before applying something into my eye. Okay, so you see the difference now. Since I'm using a dry brush to help to blend it anymore, so I'm just focusing on the crease area so that it should not crease enough. Eyeshadow, I'll be using the Morphe eyeshadow palette. I'm going to this brown shade. You know, for smoky eyes, we use brown, is really good. Then I'm just gonna blend it into my brush. Just before applying anything, just type, okay? Then make sure the product is there before you blend, okay? So I'm just typing. I'll make sure that the product is secure, okay? Then before blending, see the difference? First you need to type, the product is there, then go back to your palette again, then start blending. Then you blend, so it will pump up more than the way you just leave it like that. Maybe it's just start blending. Okay, so I'm doing the same to the other eye, just typing it in. I'll make sure that the product is there before blending it out. Okay, so you don't need to be so harsh, just a bit, just little, to just blend it out like that. Okay, so I'm gonna move into smaller brush. Okay, so instead of just using the same shade that is too light, so I'm gonna add it too dark, so I'm gonna move to the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this shade over here, the brown shade, but it's a bit lighter than the one I'd used earlier on. So I'm just using a small brush, doing the same process, typing it in, then before blending it out. Then before blending. So you see the difference, typing it in, and blend it out. So after blending it out like this, then it's smoking eye and we don't need everything to be too dark. So I'm going to this pink shade over here. Just a bit, then push it in the inner corner. Make sure you type it in, then we all blend it out. Type it in, then we all blend it out. You know we are doing a smoking eye and we don't want any color to pop out more than the other ones. So we're gonna blend all the colors together. Okay? So we're gonna move to a different brush entirely. I have no shade about the 3. Then start blending the outline. Just like this. Simple. Okay, so after this we're gonna move on to our eyeliner right now to just line the face, to line my eyes. So mine is not a wing liner, okay, so you just have to stop here. So it's gonna roll everything. The smoking eye look well going for, so you don't need to do a wing liner because it's gonna just make it not to pump up like the way you want it to be. So when you get to this point like this, so go back to the brush that I used to blend the face brown and just blend it out. And there upwards a bit. So going to my first lashes. So for the lashes I'm gonna use the 5C lashes. 5C lashes. So first you're going to apply your buns in the corner of the eyelash like this. Then when it's already inside the eyelash, not that down, just the edges of the lash. Okay, so this eyeliner that you made is going to be your guide. Okay, so first you're going to start in the middle. Okay, then I'm going to hold the lashes like this, then look down, then start. Okay, so